all of you probably know about classic LMA, so I am not going in detail, but it has real concerns. In it was not having adequate sealing was only 15 to 20, ventilation was not adequate. We were always worried about gastric insufflation and gastric insufflation leading to regurgitation and aspiration. This was always a concern. It was not properly, you were not able to fix it properly, there was a displacement of device during procedure. So Dr. Archibald was not satisfied with his own device. He said, I want to make it better, and what the points which he wanted to make better. And these are the points which are now taken up by each and every inventor, and they have tried to improve upon it. So first thing he wanted was improved protections against aspiration in event of regurgitation. That was his first thing in his mind, that if there is a regurgitation, there has to be prevention for aspiration. There should be improved ability to deliver positive pressure, so the ventilation has to be better. It should provide information about its positioning, and we'll see how it works. It could be inserted without digital intraoral manipulation. That was always a concern, because classic LMA you need to put finger inside to insert. So we have to have a device where we don't have to put finger in our patient's mouth. So that was the reason. And if you see all other devices later on, they have designed in a way that you don't have to put your finger inside oral cavity, and should have identical anatomical curvature of oropharynx. This is how it should be according to the curvature. So all designer later on had designed it in a way that it is identical to the oropharyngeal curvature. And to that he presented to the world in 1995 ProSeal LMA. Most versatile supraglottic LMA, yet to be outperformed by any other device as far as evidences are concerned. Comparable evidences are still in favor of ProSeal LMA, though now we have much better devices, but not much of evidence. So it is yet to be outperformed by any other device. So how it is different? I hope all of you have seen ProSeal LMA. Yes. So what is the difference between ProSeal and Classic? ProSeal has wider wedge-shaped cuff. There is more depth. The most important part, which has actually made sealing pressure better, was a dorsal cuff. Not able to access it. Okay. This dorsal cuff. This part. This allows lifting of entire cuff bowl and its rest against a glottic opening, and that is how it was made possible to have a better sealing. So with that, there is improved hypopharyngeal seal. The leak pressure had gone up to 30 centimeter of H2O. There is a gastric channel, so which separates alimentary tract from the respiratory tract, and it also helps in a confirmation of proper position. There is a bite block. There is an introduction tool so that you don't have to put finger inside. It gives anatomical